Morning students. In today's period we will learn last paragraph or last part of our third lesson, Indian freedom struggle, page number 16, and its heading is independence. Firstly, I will review about taught topic. That in this lesson we taught that so many Indian peoples participated in Indian freedom struggle, as well as so many social activists participated their participation in this struggle, and so many bad systems were in our India that times, like as child marriage, sati pratha, caste system, and all leaders of our freedom fights or Indian freedom struggles and social reformers were struggled for them that break the bad systems which were continued in our Indian society. Now we will learn last para, independence. Independence means swatantra. Independence means azadi ya swatantrata. And in this para only we will come to know the names of our Prime Minister, Deputy Prime Minister, Governor General, and President. India declared itself an independent country on 15th August 1947. The last Governor General of India was Lord Mountbatten. He continued as the Governor General of India for one more year before succeeded by C. Gopalachari. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of independent India, while the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the Deputy Prime Minister. On 26 January 1950, India was declared a republic. Its first president was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So, after so many years, after I think definitely near about 2 centuries, Indian people were struggled with British rulers in their own country, and they got freedom at least on 15th August 1947. But for completing official requirements or official responsibilities, the last British Governor General was Lord Mountbatten, will still continued for 1 year, continued after freedom also, and then it carried the Lord Governor General resignation to C. Raja Gopalachari, and then after independence पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू became फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर. मीन्स बहुत सी लड़ाई के बाद पूरे लगभग 200 साल तक 150 साल से ऊपर हमने ब्रिटिशों से लड़ाई की अपने हक के लिए, और कहीं जाके 15 अगस्त 1947 को हमारा भारत देश स्वतंत्र हुआ. यानी अंग्रेजों ने एग्री किया कि वो हमारा देश छोड़ के अपने ब्रिटेन में वापस जाएंगे, लेकिन कुछ कायदे से हुई या ऑफिशियल रिक्वायरमेंट्स कंप्लीट होते तक उन्हीं के ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन 1 साल तक भारत में एज अ गवर्नर जनरल की पोस्ट पे वो काम कर रहे थे. उसके बाद ऑफिशियली डिक्लेयर होने के बाद पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू हमारे इंडिया के फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर बने, एंड डेप्यूटी प्राइम मिनिस्टर मीन्स उप प्रधानमंत्री कौन बने? सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल. एंड हमारे भारत के अध्यक्ष बने, राष्ट्राध्यक्ष जिसको हम बोलते हैं राष्ट्रपति, तो वो राजेंद्र प्रसाद बने. और हमारा भारत देश ऑफिशियली 26 जनवरी 1950 को रिपब्लिक घोषित किया गया या डिक्लेयर किया गया. रिपब्लिक मीन्स गणतंत्र, जिसको हम मराठी में लोकशाही भी बोलते हैं. एंड in this way this lesson is completed here. Thank you. Have a nice day.